little artists! Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. Today, we'll be drawing a beautiful rainbow with fluffy clouds and a cute sun.
Yay!
Are you ready? Welcome to Toddlers Art Hub. First, let's start with a rough sketch using our pencil. This helps us plan our drawing before outlining. Now, grab your black marker. Start by drawing a big fluffy cloud on the right side of your page. Next, draw another fluffy cloud on the left side. These two clouds will hold our rainbow. Between the two clouds, draw 8 curved lines to create the rainbow. Make sure the lines are evenly spaced. Great job! Let's draw a smiley sun peeking out from behind the rainbow. Now, add a cute smile and 2 tiny eyes inside the circle. Adorable! Now it's time to add some colors and bring it to life. Start with purple color for the bottom stripe of the rainbow. Next, use indigo color for the next stripe. Then comes blue color for the third stripe. Use green color for the fourth stripe. For the fifth stripe, pick yellow color. Next, add orange color for the sixth stripe. Finally, use red color for the top stripe of the rainbow. Color the sun with yellow color to make it bright and cheerful. Add a touch of blue color to outline the clouds for a soft, fluffy look. Wow, kids! Wow. Your rainbow looks so colorful and happy. Great job! Don't forget to share your beautiful artwork with your family and friends. If you had fun today, like this video and subscribe to Toddlers Art Hub for more fun drawings.
Yay!
See you next time. Bye! Don't forget to like and subscribe. See you in the next video.